Today what we're going to work on is section 2.5, chapter 2, section 5. And we're going to look at numbers being on both sides of the equal sign. Again, looking at various variables and also order of operations at the intermediate level. So first of all, we're going to write our problem. And then what we're going to do is going to combine like terms. Now you're going to notice that there's a 3p here and a minus p here. So I end up with a 2p. There's nothing alike on the other side. Okay, and then you can either take care of your p's or your numbers. I'm going to take care of my numbers first, and I'm going to subtract 6 from each side. And I get my negative p plus 6. And again, we want to get this 6 by itself. It does not want the negative p there. So to undo that, I'm going to add its opposite. So I end up with 3p equaling 6. Divide by 3. P ends up being 2, and then the opposite of P equals negative 2. And you want to do both because then when you do the check, it's a little bit easier. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look at the original problem. I'm going to take out P and I'm going to put in 2. I'm going to take out negative p and I'm going to put in negative 2. Okay, now we're doing order of operations. So I have a multiplication here from left to right. And if we want to, we can add on the other side. I'm going to leave it for right now because I don't want to do too much all at once. I'm going to add from left to right. So 6 plus a negative 2 is a positive 4. And if we want to go ahead and add this here, we can. It's up to you. And I get 10 equals 10, and it works. All right, let's keep going. I'm going to, again, write the original problem. Right, I'm going to get my numbers. So subtract 6. And I get m plus 6 equals negative 2m. Now, you're going to notice that we want to get this 6 by itself. So to do that, I'm going to subtract m from each side. And I end up with 6 equals, I've got a negative 2m and a negative 1m, which gives me negative 3m. Now I'm going to divide each side by whatever's in front of the m, which is negative 3. So 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. That gives me m, or m equals negative 2. And then negative m gives me the opposite, which is 2. I'm going to go ahead and check original problem. I'm going to take out m and I'm going to put in negative 2. Okay, I can only add here, so I'm going to add the 2. On the other side, I need to multiply first. And I end up with 10 equals 10. It's a check. So if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.